Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to blur background in Canva. So guys, you want to blur your background in Canva in a few seconds or a few minutes. Here's how you can easily go about this. Your first step would be to sign up for Canva, and once you have signed up for Canva, simply log into your Canva account. Now I do need to mention something. The blur feature, that's the feature of blurring your background or blurring images, is a premium feature. You can't randomly do it by yourself without either being part of a team that is on Canva Pro or Premium or owning the individual Canva. All right, I do have to mention that besides owning Canva Premium, Canva also supports blurring images and blurring videos. And I'm going to be showing you how you can, easily blur your background and, also blur the background of other images. It's quite easy to do this. Your first step, besides logging in, would be to enter Canva, click on the create option. And now from the top here that we have the for you to videos, scroll till you find the custom size. Click on custom size and then enter your width, your preferred width and preferred height, and then click on create new design. Now the new design is going to look like this. I have already uploaded an image, so we already have an image here. So now we are looking to blur an image background. All you need to do is simply click on edit photo. So where we have the photo, go ahead and highlight it. It's going to be highlighted in purple. Click on edit. And then once you have selected edit, you can blur an image in two ways. One using the Canva AI and the other by manually blurring. So I'll be showing you the first option for images. Just head into the adjust panel. Once you're on here, instead of the area that says all, just simply move over and select background. Now, the artificial intelligence on Canva is going to select the background of this image, and it did so beautifully. And now all you need to do is simply scroll till you find texture. So the texture is basically the blur tool. Now, for the background, just go ahead and reduce the sharpness. Once you have reduced the sharpness, you're going to see that there is a reduction in the quality of the background. You could set the sharpness to about 55. That way it blurs the background of your image. You can also reduce the clarity as well to something like 35 or 40. Let's keep it on 36. And the background would keep on getting blurred. So it's going to get blurred until, you can't really identify the background any longer. Now, this is the first option of doing this. As you can see here, the blur is going to set in a couple of seconds. All right, so as you can see here, the background has been, blurred out. Now, a second option of getting this done is to click on edit. Once you have clicked on edit, the edit panel is going to pop out, and then scroll till you can find effects. So underneath effects, go ahead and select blur. Now, once you're on the blur, you can either do the add blur via brush or the whole image. So you can increase it to increase the intensity of the blur. As you can see, we can almost not see anything. And if you drag it back and take it to numbers like 16, 20, 15, everything is blurred. So rather, let's go ahead and click on brush and then click on add blur. You can set the intensity of your blur. So let's go ahead and click on this option. And now with the brush tool, we can go ahead and select the areas of the image we would like blurred. So let's just go ahead and select this part here. And as you can see, the blur tool is in full effects. You can do this for as many elements in your screen as you want. You can just generally cover the entire screen, and then you could as well as increase your brush size and reduce the intensity. So we could just have the entire screen here like this, blurred out, and boom, it looks like this. Compared to the other blur effect, I believe this one is a bit stronger. Let's set it to 1 and see what we can get. So if you set it to 1 and you draw across the image, it kind of looks like this. Let's raise it up a notch. Let's take it to 4 and then simply apply the blur to here. You get to see that the effects are taking place over the subject. The more you apply your brush strokes, the more blur is applied to the subject. So please keep that in mind. when you are editing. So let's go ahead and click on remove to simply remove the blur. All right, guys. So that's how you can go about editing and adding your blur. Now, if you want to do this on a video, if you want to do this on, you know, only the background, let's say you just want to do this only on the background, all you need to do is simply duplicate this image. Let's go ahead and duplicate the image. Once you have duplicated the image, you can see we have the same image here. And now all you need to do is go ahead and click on background remover to simply remove the entire background of your image. And now we have this here. Let's keep it floating. Now go ahead and select this and then click on edit and then click on the blur tool. Click on blur and then where we have the brush size, let's set the brush size to 100 and just put it around the entire screen here. Let's just set it up in this manner. And once you're done, it should take effect in this manner here. And let's set the blur to something like 5 and hit enter. All right, so once you have done this, you can now drag this here above and just line it. And voila, we have created a blur where the background is blurred completely while the foreground remains clean. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.